A blind man grabbed its tusk and was left thinking that the elephant was smooth and pointy like a spear. Another blind man wrapped his arms around a leg, thinking that the entire animal was thick and round like a tree. The third blind man touched the ear and thought the elephant was wide and floppy like a wing. When it walked away, the three men were left arguing, each one sure that he was right about what it must look like. But none of them had the full picture. Each had only a small part of the truth, but mistook it for the whole. And if they had listened to each other, they might just have realized what they were missing.